Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through one of the most useful features inside QuickBooks, how to run a sales by customer report. If you've ever wondered who your top customers are, how much revenue each client brings in, or which products are driving sales, this report is the perfect tool. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate it, customize it, and even export it for deeper analysis. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your QuickBooks dashboard and head over to the Reports menu. This is the hub where all of your financial and sales reports are stored. Next, scroll to the Sales section. Here you'll see two options: Sales by Customer Summary and Sales by Customer Detail. The summary report gives you a high-level overview of sales totals per customer. The detail report, on the other hand, breaks things down into each transaction, showing you exactly what was sold and when. Choose the one that fits your needs best. For this example, let's select the Sales by Customer Detail report. Once the report opens, you'll see a button labeled Customize. This is where the magic happens. Click it to adjust the report to match your exact needs. Start with the report period. On the Display tab, select the date range you want, whether that's this month, last quarter, or custom range. This ensures you're looking at the right time frame. Now, if you're working with the detail report, go into Rows columns and select Change Columns. From here, make sure the boxes for customer and product service are checked. This way, your report clearly shows which customer bought what items. You can take things further by exploring the Filters tab. For example, if you only want to see sales for a specific product or category, just select it from the filters. This is especially useful if you want to analyze how a particular item is performing across different customers. Once everything looks good, click Run Report. QuickBooks will instantly generate your customized Sales by Customer report. Now here's a quick pro tip. If you need to work with this data outside QuickBooks, click the Export Print dropdown at the top right and choose Export to Excel. This makes it easy to sort, graph, or share the information with your team. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can generate a clear, customizable report that shows exactly how your sales are distributed across your customer base. I hope this tutorial helped you feel more confident using QuickBooks reporting tools. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.